Sweetness ni Janine at Santino, kinagiliwan ng netizens. Bagay na magmami. May kumalat na video kung saan isa ito sa ganap sa isang event na kinabibilangan ni Janine Gutierrez, ang Vanya Romov fashion show, at nandun din ang anak ng nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales, ang football player at international mother na si Santino Rosales. Magalang at malambing din ang anak ni Eko na kagaya ng daddy niya kung saan. Nakita niya si Janine at agad-agad yumakap at nag-kiss sa kanyang soon-to-be stepmom. Ang kumalat na video ay kinagdiliwan ng mga Ekonin supporters. Sweet naman ng mag-mom-to-be. Sis, agree na agree. Bagay na mag-mom sila, so nice. So love this. Santino is very loving boy like his daddy. The way he treated his mommy, Janine. Very nice saint. Saya naman ang mag-mommy. Wow, bait naman ni Santino. Wow, a heartwarming. Meeting Santino is just like Janine's siblings and cousins. Very respectful and down to earth. It's apparent that the relationship between them has already evolved because of a common denominator in the name of Jericho Rosales. They love the man. You are absolutely right. Jericho's sons is so respectful. True, kaya swerte din ni Janine. OMG Saint and Janine together, nakaka-happy silang tingnan. Mag-mommy. Sweet naman nila, bagay sila ni Max. Ang ganda ng damit, Miss Janine Gutierrez. Mr. Rosales son, very respectful. Janine, so blessed with her family, friends, and love life. Ang sweet. Napakaganda ng pagpapalaki ni Eko sa anak niya. Very humble, respectful, at napakasimpleng tao. I am sure magkakasundo silang dalawa ni Tita Janine niya. So sweet naman. Bait naman ni Santino. Well, hindi naman ito ang unang pagkikita ni Janine at Santino dahil malimit din silang nagkakabanding kasama ni Eko. Kaya kakikitaan mo na so close na silang dalawa. Ganda nilang pagmasdan, mag-mommy soon to be. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.